Yeah, hi. In today's video, we're going to be looking at a site called PhotoJobz.com, and we're going to see whether it is actually true and can you actually get paid for taking photos. So then we're going to go dive into PhotoJobz, and we're going to show you exactly what it's about. And also, there's going to be some basically things you need to look at before you actually go and join PhotoJobz.com. Okay, so we've come on to the PhotoJobz.com website, and as you can see here, it says get paid to take photos. Start selling your photos today. Upload and instantly sell to millions of potential buyers. And obviously you've got a learn more button here. And something else you want to take note of, it's actually got a ClickBank emblem up the top of the website here. So we'll go into that in very shortly. So it obviously says learn more. So if we click learn more, and it just drops the website down, and as you can see, it says the network. Our network is here to help you sell your pictures of thousands to potential buyers that need them for websites, catalogs, books, magazines, ads, and a variety of other uses. So at the moment, it's basically saying that this is going to be a photo site where you can upload your photos, and then potential buyers will then buy them from the site and use in various different things. But you need to stay tuned because it's not quite what it says it is, okay? So make sure you stay tuned right to the very end of this video. Now, says, how does it work? It says take photos, grab your camera and start taking photos, upload and instantly sell your to millions of potential buyers, which is basically what it says. It says there's no limit to how much you can earn, and the more pictures you submit, the more money you take. It also says if you live outside the US, no problem, you can get paid for taking photos no matter where you live. So in other words, they're saying this is a worldwide opportunity. So let's go down now, and as you can see here, it says join now. This will then take you through to what they call the application, and I've just actually added in a test as my name, and a test at fbauk.com, which is fictitious. There's no even a website called that. Let's see where that actually takes us, and we'll get started. So as you can see here, we've now got select membership, enter information, submit photos. So what it's basically saying is you've got to actually join, and you join for $1 on a premium membership. Okay. Now, before I did that, I wanted to obviously check that this is correct. Okay, because as soon as you start to click and go through, it actually takes you through to a ClickBank actual secure checkout, and it's obviously wants to take $1 off me, but it also says that it's you're going to have a future payments of £25, so about $27 I think, and you only get that, you get billed that after 5 days, so you only get 5 days with the $1 membership. So I wanted to double check that this was correct. I had a site the other day that I reviewed, and they weren't even on ClickBank, this other site, so it was totally fictitious. And what it is, they just wanted you to get your credit card out, pay for the dollar, and then obviously then they can take your credit card information and use it fraudulently. So I went over to obviously ClickBank, and I put in PhotoJobz, and yes, it does actually come up. So it is a legit business in the sense that you can get it for $1, and then obviously you've got a recurring income afterwards. But the only thing they don't tell you, what's actually inside the membership, is just a series of short videos that you're going to be able to access, and none of that information is really anything that you can't already find out online. It's all about how to take pictures with your mobile phone, and using certain quality pictures will get uploaded better than others. So it's very broad of what they're actually telling you. They're not telling you anything you don't really know, and I'm not even a photographer, guys, but I would know basically everything they're going to be saying. And then also it gives you a list of actual photo sites where you can actually go and upload, such as Shutterstock and Photolia and Adobe. all those ones which are just again, you can get lists of those just by typing them into Google. And yes, you can actually upload photos to those sites, and people will pay them, and you can get paid. So those are legit businesses and legit websites. But this one focuses more on a membership, and you don't really get an awful lot for the membership. So I would have thought, even if you join for $1, you're going to go through the videos in about probably 10 minutes. You're going to give you the list of sites you can go and join. And the only other thing it's got in there is sort of like a job board where you can actually go and actually try and get jobs that are available in and around the world, where you can actually, then people actually want people to go and actually take photographs. Now, there's two things that obviously are quite good. Then obviously being a member of ClickBank, it does come, anything you do spend, so if you've actually managed to accidentally go and join for $1 just to see what it was like, you can get that $1 back. They've got a 60-day money back guarantee through ClickBank. And the other thing of how you can notice that it's probably not even a proper site, guys, it's actually got a ClickFunnels sign down in the bottom right hand corner here. So that means that the site has actually been created by a software called ClickFunnels, which is totally legit, and there's nothing wrong with ClickFunnels. I'm not saying there is. But if there's a proper site and a proper membership site even, you would have a proper membership to the back of it, and you probably wouldn't create it in ClickFunnels, because you would get a proper web designer to and have it properly coded. Obviously, they're using ClickBank to take their payments, so they haven't obviously got any payments there. So there's a few things that don't quite add up. They're not quite true in what they're saying, but it's not a scam as such, because, you know, yes, whatever they say, the videos are all in there, and they do help you if you are a total novice a little bit. But is it worth $27 a month? I would say probably not. You might, go and join for $1, accidentally stay 5 days, and it come out the extra $27. But remember, if that happens, then obviously just go back to ClickBank and obviously ask for a refund if you think that the membership is not up to quality that it should be. And there's nowhere really on the site at all where you can actually upload your own images. So like I say, they're a little bit naughty really in what they're saying, is because they're trying to get people in, and they're not really explaining anything. That's why they're trying to get people in on the $1 first. And remember, a lot of people will probably pay for the $1, realize it's not what it is, and then actually don't even bother getting the $1 back. So if they've got a few thousand people do that, then it's a few $1,000s that they've actually earned, and obviously not got refunded. So at the end of the day, just be careful of PhotoJobz.com, and remember, obviously, with the 60-day money-back guarantee for ClickBank, you are obviously all in safe hands if you did part with any money that you want to get back. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We're going to see you on the next video.